Welcome to my little urban homestead. Just a little quick video. As you can see behind me jars I've been canning. I've got a lot more canning to do, but I've run out of lids. Well, running out of lids. About 4 years ago when I first started canning, I was obviously looking for lids, and the prices here in the UK, it worked out about the equivalent of 40 pence per lid. So even if you're growing your own food and then preserving it, it's costing you nothing, or next to nothing, but the lid is 40 pence. And so I didn't like that idea, so I looked into getting some Tatler lids, because you can reuse them up to about 10 times, and they weren't quite double the price of the metal lids that we can get in the UK, that I could get anyway. But I could get 10 uses out of them instead of the one. So I bought, I bulk buyed, if that's a word, bulk bought 120 lids, and I've got some metal ones as well, and but I'm running out with doing dog food as well, and obviously some of the seals have worn down, and so they needed to be thrown. So I've ordered some more Tatler lids. I went on eBay looking for them, and it's about £5–6 for a dozen metal lids. I've got 10 dozen. They were £60, but with the import charges and everything it was £90 for 120. So this works out far better. Instead of like 50 pence more or less averaging for a one use, and it's 50 pence per jar, I've got these that, yes, they may have worked out at about 80–90 pence per jar, but I can use them several times. So to me that is very good value. But I have, go down Mason, I have already opened the box, and I was quite surprised this time, because last time, so I wasn't sure what it actually was, because work she's ordered some things as well. But packaging. But I was quite surprised this time, because last time, pardon me, last time it was the box of a dozen Tatler lids. This time, come open. But I haven't gone through and counted, but there's 120. But these, even though they aren't in their Tatler boxes, they've got the name Tatler across the top, and they look exactly the same as ones I've had before. So I will be testing these out next time I do a canning session. But for £90, and there's 120 here, that'll keep me going for a while, because by the time I've got, if I canned up over the next week 120 things, by the time I got around to canning them again, I'd have a load of these back that I could use again. So now I've got a total of over 200 rings. But I think it's the way forward for us in the UK for canning, because the metal lids, they're ridiculous, 50 pence a go. You might as well buy the things, although you don't know what's actually in it. But this way it works out a lot better. It works out, if you can use it 10 times, they work out about 10 pence a go, if that. So this is the way that I went 4 years ago, and this is the way that I'm going again. And in a couple more years time, 2 to 4 years time, I'll get another batch of them and keep going. I could do with some wide mouth ones. I haven't got many of those, but I just thought I'd share with you my latest little purchase. Thank you. Bye.
It's a